Hi Mackie fans everywhere. It is now just a few days before we ring in 2024, and I want to thank everyone for watching my Mackie Master Fader videos. I also appreciate all the nice compliments I've received through the years. I purchased my first Mackie DL32R around Christmas time 2014. And as far as I'm concerned, the digital audio mixer technology has not really changed very much since then. After nearly 500,000 views on YouTube, which I just can't believe, I've decided to get back at it. What would you guys and gals like to see in some new videos about Master Fader and the DL mixers? Post your ideas in the comments section and let's do it. One thing that I failed at miserably in the previous videos was not asking for viewers to like, subscribe, and to hit the bell. Now I'm really going to sound like the broken YouTube record. If you like this content, please click the like button, and you might as well subscribe right now. And so you don't miss any future videos, ring the bell thingy. And thank you again. And Happy New Year.